What's going on, guys? So, we're at the laundromat right now. As you guys can see, there's clothes washing and washing. My mom's over there. I was gonna get to a laundromat that cost only $1.75. There's this leaf on my brother's jacket. What's this?
Get those ready. Turn them inside out.
It's in your hair now. So guys, right now we're just walking around. I'm walking around. So, wait, where's my money? You guys see this? My mom's saying I'm not helping. Look at this. Hi guys. Get out of my video. Mom, where's the bag? Stop. That's messed up, Mom. We're doing it. Video camera's getting it. Hi guys. So guys, we are just picking bags of our clothes because we are in the kitchen. Oh crap! I got another bag. Yeah. Oh crap! I picked it up.
Put them inside the car as best you can. Fix them.
Yes, ma'am. See guys, how much I listen.
That's not up too much.
Actually, Mom, I actually do help a lot.
Why are those clothes on the ground, Lamar?
I don't. Oh, I actually turned it through them.
Oh, you didn't pick it up.
Because I picked it up. I threw it back in and I
Well,
didn't know
go
back.
get it and pick it up. The one beside you too.
Yeah, I got that.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What time is it?
I'll be back. Guys, my sister was just out in the trunk. Got some Coca-Cola. We're just waiting for them all to run. It's delicious. Taking the clothes. Okay, guys, so that's. I think I reached the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn post notifications so you won't miss the video. Get away! Hi guys. So you guys, my sister just not there to go into the washing machine right now, so I'm gonna take it. Okay guys, I'm not actually sure if I should do it right now because my sister just now said we're about to go. I actually got nervous right now. Okay guys, I will do it again one more day. My sister's telling me right now too. Okay guys, so I didn't really want to stay in there for a while, so because like the guy was coming back, so yeah. Okay. Do I have full YouTube videos? Yes, I told my mom to follow me now. Mom, you hear that? You're gonna follow me on TikTok. I mean TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and extra. No, seriously, Mom, I need more YouTube subscribers.
Okay.
Guess how many I got?
3.
Nope. 0.
For real?
No, on my old YouTube account, I had 35, but It got I forgot my password to it because I got a new phone and then I forgot the password.
Okay, I put this over there. On the floor right there. Right next to that one right there.
Guys, I think I've reached the end of the video. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you won't miss a video. God is with us. God is with us. I don't know the rapping to this song, but I know that is going wrong because I forgot the lyrics. Yeah. Okay. I'm really just like bored right now. Look how many washers there are. My mom's over there. Can't really see it.
Still gotta look at my jacket. My work bag.
Work.
My work.